Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So WhatsApp has recently made a new update. So this update is a WhatsApp UPI payment. So WhatsApp is combined with the UPI payment service. So now using WhatsApp you can able to transfer money right from WhatsApp while chatting itself. So this update is already rolled out in India and most of the users might be already get this update, and it will be received for all stable users soon. And once you will get the update means, so you can able to use this feature by just tapping on the top right three buttons in the WhatsApp home screen, and after that you will see a payment option. So once you click on the payment option, now you have to set up your payment method, and you have to kindly note that so the registered WhatsApp mobile number and the mobile number registered with the bank account should be the same, and at that point only you can able to register any type of a payment method. So you have to add a new payment method. That means you have to link any one of the bank account in your WhatsApp account, and so you have to just click on the add payment method, and after that you will get a list of bank accounts. And WhatsApp is currently supporting more than 160 of banks as for the UPI payment. So you have to select your bank account, and from your registered mobile number SMS will be sent, and after the verification the bank account will be added in your WhatsApp account. And once a bank account is added means, so now you are ready to send a payment to your friends or anyone. So you can send a payment right now by just tapping on the new payment, and after tapping on that you will get a send to UPI ID. So if you have any UPI ID means, you can directly mention the UPI ID and transfer the money to the beneficiary account. And similarly during chatting also you can make the payment. So just click on any one of the chat, and in the chat there is an attachment option. So just click on the attachment icon, and after click on the attachment icon you will get the payment option. So just click on that payment option. Now select the recipient, so which in case if you are in a group means, you can select any one of the participant to send the payment. And likewise in case if you are chatting with the individual one means, you can directly send the payment by just putting the amount and then your UPI ID, and after doing all these things the payment will be sent to the beneficiary account. And you have to note another thing is that the recipient WhatsApp user is also need to have that WhatsApp Pay feature, and that user is also need to link any one of its bank account. Then only the amount will be sent to the recipient WhatsApp number in that bank account. Well, now the two things you have to be remind that one is the account number in the WhatsApp mobile number should be same as the registered mobile number in the bank account. And then second thing is that the recipient of WhatsApp mobile number, that user should also need to have that WhatsApp Pay feature, and that user is also need to link any one of its bank account. So then only you can able to transfer money during chatting itself. Or and in case if user is not having like that feature means, you can directly send the payment through a UPI mode by just selecting on the send to UPI. So you have to just enter the UPI address, that's it. So you can use the same UPI pin which you are already created for other payment service like a PhonePe or Google Pay, like that. Similarly you can add multiple bank accounts. In case if you are having more bank accounts with the same mobile number means, you can add multiple bank accounts, and you can select your default bank account as per your wish, as like similar to the PhonePe or Google Pay we are using earlier. And this is the WhatsApp new payment feature. So WhatsApp has now implemented the WhatsApp UPI payment, and WhatsApp is already implemented this payment service in more countries, and in upcoming days this feature is also coming to the UK, Europe and more other countries. This feature is coming, and in India also this feature is enabled last week, and soon all stable user will get. And in case if you guys received this update means, let me know in the comments below. Now what do you guys think about this WhatsApp UPI payment feature? Let me know that also in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.